everybody. I cover window, set fire to it. Let it go, my heart, and then say failure as granite. And your star, and I saw her until you kissed my lips and you said to me, my hand is strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say, never true, and again you play, you would always win, always miss. But I set fire to the rain, was it cause I touched your face? Where it went and I cried cause I heard it screaming out your name. But lay with her, I could stay there cause my eyes feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. There's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say that are never true, and again yeah, you would always me. But I set fire to the rain. Was it cause I touched your face? Where it burned my pride cause I know it will be your name. I set fire to the rain and I threw us into the flame. There I felt something that cause I knew that there was a last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door that had you cause let's be waiting for you. Even now you are already over. I can't help myself from looking for you. I set a fire to the land and I threw us into the flame. Then you pressed up me back cause I knew that that was the last time. Let it go.